an 80s classic. 1984 Oldsmobile 98 four-door sedan. Only 58,800 original miles on this one. 5.7 liter diesel underneath the hood. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Paint color on this light royal blue with the dark royal blue vinyl top. As you can see, coming to the rear of this is the Regency. Nicely equipped car. Power seats, both sides will be a split bench. Trunk release in the glove box, AM/FM cassette. Has the gauge package, power antenna, electric rear defogger. Take a look at the chrome, front grille, headlight surrounds, and as you can see, the filler panels between the bumper and the body, all intact. Good shape. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, the interior, engine bay, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. Wire wheel covers, white wall radials. You can see up and down the passenger side of this car. Pretty much free of nicks, dings, or scratches. Vinyl top, also free of blemishes, rips, tears, holes. And remember, do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation in this vehicle. May be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Is missing an area of the filler panel here. The rest of the filler panels in the rear look intact. Once again, those still pictures so you can see inside the trunk, undersides, interior, uniqueclassiccars.com. So click on the link down below this video in the description, going to take you there. Take a look up and down the driver's side also. Appears to be pretty much free of any nicks, dings, or scratches on this side. Go ahead and take a little closer look at the interior here. One thing I did note I was taking the pictures is it also has had the rust inhibitor. That's what these plugs are for. So that has been shot inside those body panels. Power windows and locks, as you can see on the door panel. I have pictures of the floor mats out in the still picture so you can see condition of the carpeting. And the seats appear to be free of rips, tears, much wear at all. And again, that reflects the original miles on this car. You take a look at the odometer. 58,800. There it is. Of course, automatic with overdrive transmission, paired up with that 5.7 liter. Gauge package, so you do have the gauges for oil pressure, temp, and on the side bolts over here. There's your AM/FM cassette, rear defog switch. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also in nice shape. Headliner, also intact. We are indoors here. Not going to start it up. We use our pusher on this one around in our showroom. Technicians have had it out. Drives out fine. Runs good. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. I'll still show you the engine bay. Check that.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There we go. Again, power windows, power locks, and all the power equipment underneath the hood. Power brakes, power steering, AC. Looks stock underneath here, of course, the dual batteries with the diesel. And again, nice, clean, and tidy, what you'd expect with a car with this kind of miles on it. 80s classic, 1984 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Brougham. Original mile car, give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call, 507-386-1726.